Life with Kimmi. Welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, I am on a healthy journey to better myself. My overall health, my cholesterol numbers, blood pressure numbers, etc., etc. And if I lose a little bit of weight, I'm going to be happy. So anyway, I found out something today. It's not something that I didn't know, but since I did a little homework on it, I thought I would come and share it with you. So today I had a tuna sandwich for lunch, and I said, well, let me have a little fruit cup. It's mandarin oranges. So I'm doing Weight Watchers, and I put the points in my little calculator thingy and the app, and this was 3 points for the cup. 3 points. So I got to thinking, I said, well, Kim, fruit, this nice big old orange, is 0, or this little bitty cup is 3. Which one do you think I should have chosen? Well, I decided I'll eat my orange later. But the point that I'm making today is that we have to be very cautious of what we choose to put in our mouth. There's nothing wrong with the 3-point fruit cup. There's nothing wrong with that. However, if I really want to maximize my points, bam, I had the whole healthy orange here instead of eating this. So I did a little homework, as I was stating before. The calcium in the fruit cup is 31, and then the calcium in the whole orange, this is a supersized orange, so it's probably more about 50, the calcium in the real orange. This is real too. It came from a mandarin, but you know what I mean. So anyway, based on that though, if I had that choice to do over again, I probably would have took time to just peel the orange or cut the orange and then have it in this state, which this has been processed. So whenever something is processed, it's taken from its original state. So you would get more benefits from having it in its natural state, right? That's just logical. However, I also did the canned pears. Now, I'm not a big fan of pears, but these were in my fridge. And let's see, the expiration date is still good. I had bought these actually when my mom was here with us. For those of you who do not know, I actually lost my mom last year. But these are still here. You know, canned goods last forever. So these pears, I put these in the point system, and they're actually 0. These are 0. So you got to really be careful. So the pears are in pear juice, actually. 100% juice, but it came back 0 on the points. But the mandarins came back 3 points. And this is also says it's in 100% juice. That's the actual Del Monte. So that part I don't understand why this is so much more. So whenever we're making choices though, again, and you're trying to reserve your points, because sometimes it's like you want to go out with your friends, or you know, you might need a few extra points for something else and you're wasting points, when this is the faster option. Of course, anything processed is normally going to be quicker for us. But since we're on our long-term healthy journey, I'm getting away from things that are just quick, fast, and easy. Some things I'm going to have to take a few more minutes in order to reap the long-term benefits from. So yeah, was it easier just to pop this old, you know? Yeah, it was. But would it have been a few seconds longer to actually cut the orange and then actually have to peel it? You know, so for the benefits. So my point today is you have all these choices, and even check out some canned goods. But make sure you use your QR reader and see what the point system is. So you got your canned good, you got your plastic, you got your natural. Also, I did my homework on what a cup of orange juice, how many points is that? So for a cup of orange juice, for those of you who like your juice in the morning, that is 7 points for an 8-ounce glass or cup. That's a lot of points. 7. You can do a whole meal for 7 points. So if you got to have your juice, go ahead and have it. But you got 7 points for a glass of juice, or 0 for this orange. Which one should you choose? No, just kidding. What's your option though? If you have a choice and you know the facts ahead of time, and I tell you, hey, that orange juice is $7, or I can give you this orange for free, which one would you like? Now, if you're balling like that, you might say, give me the $7 juice. Or if you want to treat yourself. And that's why it should be a treat, because nobody would normally pay $7 for a cup of orange juice. But if you're on vacation with your friends, you're relaxing, chillaxing, whatever, you might pay $7. So if it's worth $7 or 7 points to you, have your glass of orange juice. But if not, and you're looking at the big picture, trying to save some points, trying to save a life, bam, get you an orange. So you have to choose what's best for you. Because actually, if you're in a hurry and you don't have time, or you're dressed up, you know, at lunch, at work, and you don't have time to peel this orange and all that, I get that juice squirting everywhere. It might be more practical just to have the fruit cup, which is still better than a Snicker bar, right? So that's another way I look at things too. What's the alternative? I could have this, or I could have that. So in the case of the fruit, in the future, like I said, I probably would pick the orange, but you do have options. So that's all I wanted to share with you today. Think about those points. Treat those points like dollar bills. I don't just give my money out like that. No, I don't. I try not to anyway. So same thing with my points. I don't want to just waste my points and then I look up and say, dog, I don't have no more. Because unlike the points, well, you do get a few extra each week. So I was going to say, it's not like a bank you can go overdraw. You can overdraw your bank account. Well, I guess you can overdraw your points. But don't overdraw your points if you don't have to. Try to save those for a special occasion, something you want to treat yourself, or you want to go hang out with somebody. So that's just my little 2 cents for today. This is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with others. I'm wishing you much success on your journey as well. Until next time, bye.